Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' demonstrator and I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. In today's video, we're going to go through this lovely fun fold stand-up card, which will fold and fit into a regular envelope. So let's get started. You're going to start with a piece of cardstock, which measures 4 1/4 by 8 1/4, and you want to score it 4 1/2, 5 1/2, 7, and 8. And you want to go ahead and fold along the lines in what I call a C fold. I guess it's kind of a C. And then on this edge right here, that's considered the adhesive part. So I'm going to go ahead and take some tear and tape and stick it on along here. I'm going to wait to adhere it. Then you take a second piece of cardstock that measures 2 3/4 by 5, and you want to score it 3 1/2 and 4 1/2, and do the same thing, the C fold, and some more tear and tape on the edge. And before we assemble it, we're going to get some DSP. So 3 pieces, one that is 4 by 4 1/4, 2 1/2 by 3/4, and 4 by 1 1/4. So we'll start with this piece right here. I'm going to get my Stampin' seal. I like to put a T at the top so I can remember where to put the lid. I'm going to put a little adhesive on here. And put it on where the adhesive is this way. So it's the back of the card. Center that. Then you can go ahead and remove the release tape. Let me use, sometimes it's a little easier to poke it off. There we go. And what I like to do is fold it up this way, then fold under the adhesive part flat, and then it pops up that way. So that's that part. This one, we're going to take this piece and do the same. And put it on this side and center that. And this piece will go to the front of that. Then a couple more pieces of adhesive. So this basically goes here and centered. So I'm going to put some adhesive on just the edge, not too high. Get that started. You just want to center it here. And then do the same technique here, where you want it to fold flat but pop up. So fold flat, take that release paper off, fold it under, and so that's what it looks like flat, and this is what it looks like open. And then I went ahead and stamped a little sentiment using the rectangle stitched dies. Just gonna put some more adhesive on the back of that. And then I use the lovely Silver and Clear Epoxy Essentials here. Let me put my top back on. And just a couple, maybe a diamond on this side, just to give it some bling. Circle on the bottom. maybe a teardrop just to give it some shine. And that's it. That is the lovely fun fold stand-up that folds flat to fit into an envelope. So here are a couple that I made with the new DSP, and here's some gray versions also. So thanks for letting me share this with you. Please support me by checking out my blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, hitting subscribe or like on the video. I would greatly appreciate it. Have a great day.